that I really want to know is, what was the reason for blocking that exit?
I am looking at it that air hostess provoked her, because when she did that video that I saw, she was putting on her wig and she was saying, people look at air hostess, so she does not want me to leave. Oh, madam, leave now, let me pass. Madam, leave now, let me pass. We don't know what happened between madam, leave now, let me pass. The next thing, they were dragging her because she started slapping
The only question,
air hostess.
the serious question that I have, right, that I really want to know is, what was the reason for blocking that exit?
We don't know.
What was the reason? But that means you have exposed the lady.
You need to. On her, everything, they tore her dress, they tore what she was wearing, they tore. I was vexed when I watched that video. I was like, no.
I saw that video. It was annoying.
Aisha Yesufu is saying, was her detainment by the air hostess who refused to allow her leave the aircraft, was that legal? That is a question we should. And imagine, immediately they put this woman on. Immediately they detained her. Immediately they gave her life ban from flying. What kind of stupidity? Why would you do that? They have already given her life ban. The person that posted it should be suspended, should face the consequences of posting that kind of a thing online. The air hostess that blocked the way, they should sack her. They should fire her.
They should face the consequences.
Yes, because it's just wrong. It's just wrong.
Very unprofessional. Very